imperious and commanding as well. Kishane Thomson steps to the floor and gets there 9.73.
And of course, Usain Bolt, the fastest man in the whole wide world, finally reacted to the new reborn of new replacement of himself. Yes, Kishane Thomson will become the next Usain Bolt. Like I said, I have been making several videos alerting you guys that Kishane Thomson has everything he needs to become the next Usain Bolt. The muscular body, the sprinting speed, the techniques of running, every single thing about Kishane Thomson remind me of Usain Bolt. And Usain Bolt himself has finally reacted watching Kishane Thomson blazing a new record time of 9.77 seconds. Yes, Kishane Thomson, in case you don't know, broke the Jamaican trials championship record. This has never been set, not even by Usain Bolt. Now, if Kishane Thomson can run a time of 9.77 seconds, which is probably a time that could even win him the Paris Olympic, imagine what kind of time is he going to run at the real Paris Olympic. Now I will be sharing Usain Bolt real reaction watching Kishane Thomson blazing a new national trials record and becoming the fastest man this world. I don't know how no one else will even be feeling. Definitely no one else height must be piecing into pieces by now, right? And why am I having a feeling that Kishane Thomson will break Usain Bolt world record in Paris Olympic? Imagine someone who was able to run 9.77 seconds. And what do you think will happen when he finally meets all the athletes in the world? Definitely they might push him to run an under 9.60 seconds record, right? And probably he might punch the Usain Bolt world record, right? Now this is how Usain Bolt, the fastest man in the world, reacted. The fastest man alive reacted to the new fastest man in the whole wide world. Kishane Thomson has officially taken over no one else already. Now Usain Bolt went to his official Twitter account and he put a Jamaican flag, and of course he put an emoji of a hand and praising the Jamaicans at the national trials. And definitely it has to be because of Kishane Thomson. He posted this because of Kishane Thomson. Usain Bolt has never reacted to any race at the Jamaican national trials, but after right after Kishane Thomson broke the national trials record, he came to the social media and he posted this on his official Twitter account. Although he didn't say it any words, but this simplifies that he is definitely referring to Kishane Thomson, the new Usain Bolt, the new reborn of Usain Bolt, the new fastest man in the world who has taken over the Americans. No one else. No one else should be in trouble by now. His heart is beating, his heart is in pieces. He is in great danger. Let me hear your opinions.